Hey guys, it's your girl Tamika, and I'm here today with a Salon and beauty supply store product haul. So I'm going to show y'all all the stuff that I bought for the month of April. Okay, well maybe not everything I bought for the month of April, but a lot of the things I bought for the month of April. This is so exciting because I'm such a product junkie and I just love experimenting with products and buying new products and buying lots of products and just products. Okay, so if you guys don't know it already, consider me your personal hair coach. I have plenty of other videos out there concerning hair care, hair growth, healthy hair, things like that. I'll put a link to the playlist below so you guys can go check it out. And I just want to show you guys these products. Oh my gosh. And if you guys use any of this stuff or know about any of this stuff, or you have a hairstyles that use on you, let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I guess I should just go on ahead and get started. I have a lot of things to show you. Okay, first and foremost, now I actually went on Amazon and bought a Willie Merle not hair attachment, what do you call that? I'm having a brain fart right now. So a comb attachment. I went online and bought a Willie Merle comb attachment, but it didn't come in time for this haul, so it is what it is. But in addition to that, I also bought a new hair dryer, and it's not new in the sense that it's like a new brand. It's new in the sense that it's a Rusk Speed Freak, and I always use Speed Freak. I just need another one because my other one's going out, and it doesn't have the comb attachment on it yet. But when the comb attachment does come, I'm going to do a video on how I rig it so you don't have to keep so it doesn't keep falling on and off. So watch out for that video. Okay, so I have something here I'm going to show you guys, and this is wiping my table off, stuff all over my table. This is the K&B Salon System Shine Cream. And this is really good for clients who have resistant hair, and I flat iron their hair, or I soak their hair or press their hair. This is great for that because it keeps it nice and straight and it gives it a nice shine. It's really good. Okay, I'm not going in any particular order. I bought a whole big old pack of, it's like a dozen hair weaving threads. So this is like hair weaving threads. I do a lot of weaves. I help people grow their hair, not just lighter long, but longer lengths, and I use weaves as a means to get there, and so I have to have lots of thread on hand. Also, because I'm going to be doing more wig making and quite possibly starting to make closures and things like that, I went ahead and got some Swiss lace so I can ventilate, and more Swiss lace so I can ventilate. And I got some wig caps to go underneath, like lace closures and just wig caps and stuff. I got lots of those. As y'all can see, I'm into wigs. I'm actually wearing the wig now. Also, I got just some hair to practice with for wig making. And I also bought a wig, and this is a synthetic wig. I've never worn a synthetic wig before, but I want to try it out, so I'm going to give that a try, and I might quite possibly do a video on how I put it on, but I don't know yet. I'll have to see. Okay, so I have 2 canisters of the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray, and this is just for holding closures down, or a lot of people, they use it to for their hair frontals. I don't install frontals in my salon, but I do install closures, so I use that. And I also have the gel to go with it. And then sometimes the distributors come in to the salon and they want me to try out products, and sometimes I buy, sometimes I don't, but I bought this, and it's by Fantasy Look Creative, and it's a finishing protective mist. It's supposed to detangle the hair. I'm not sure if I really like that one. I also bought a bunch of gel. Yes, I went gel crazy. Okay, I don't think I bought any Hicks. Okay, so I bought this because I saw this in a beauty supply store, and they said it's supposed to be like the best gel to slick down like the most coarse edges. So I bought this to give it a try. It was like maybe $6. I don't know, the verdict's not out just yet on whether or not I like it, but I like to try products several times before I make a decision on whether or not I like it. But it's called the Hawaiian Silky Argan Oil Hydrating Sleek Edge Gel. Hydrating sleek edge, sulfate free, whatever. And then I got some old school, y'all, throwback, Let's Jam. I got some of that. I just want to try it out again. I actually want to try it out to see if this works in the same way, but it doesn't. I also got some Sleek Max Edge Control, Maximum Control Edge Gel by Design Essentials. They have really great products, and I haven't used them in a while, so I decided to go ahead and try their Edge Gel again because I did like it in the past. And then I have some of my Goldwell. This is like my go-to gel. The only thing is it kind of flakes a little bit, but it's my go-to gel. And it really holds really well, like well. I got 2 of those. And I'm making a mess. And I picked this up as a sample, but it's by the K&B Salon Systems, and it's a guava infused mix, and it gives hair shine. So this is just a little sample, but it actually does work. It makes the hair shiny, and it smells amazing. I love that. They have some really good products at K&B Salon Systems. I also bought some little razors. I like to have these on hand for cutting threads and shaping my brows. I bought an elastic wig band. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that just yet. It seems like I'm missing something. I could have sworn I bought one of those little hair toothbrushes, but I don't see it. But I bought a little hair toothbrush, you know, to slick back the edges. Yeah, I bought that. So I have some color here, and this is new colors I'm trying out. And who is this by? I don't know. Advanced Coloration. This is some new colors I'm trying out. And I bought this just in black just to see, what they're talking about. Forgive me, y'all, but I have so much stuff. So I bought 2 tubes of color, and I also bought their developer in 20 volume and 10 volume. This is supposed to be like non-damaging color, and you're supposed to be able to do it on relaxer day and stuff like that, but I don't relax hair. But I just wanted to see how this color compares to the Paul Mitchell color that I normally use. So I bought a couple of those. And I'm always willing to try out new products. Pretty much color is color. So they're saying theirs is better, so I want to see how much better it is. Okay, I also bought developer. I bought lots of developer. I'm reaching over, y'all, because my stuff is way over here. Okay, so I have Shades EQ glosses, and this is in the color black, because I pretty much just only do like black rinses on appliance hair for gray coverage and stuff like that. And so that's this, and it's like a total of 6 in here. I bought that. You wouldn't think that I don't do a lot of color in Salon, but you'd think that I would consider on developer I'm buying. Okay, so I bought Paul Mitchell 20 volume cream developer, and I also bought the Joico color intensity eraser, and I want to try this out for clients who want to change color, because if you're a hairstylist, you know the #1 rule of color is that color doesn't lift color, and so you have to take it off first before you put it on. So I'm going to try out this color eraser instead of having to do like a soap cap, because back in the past I would do a soap cap and it's just too much mixing. But I bought this, and I like to match up the color that I'm using with the color line developer, because it's supposed to formulate together, so I like to match that up. So I bought that. And also, ooh, lordy. Oh, here's my little toothbrush. I found it. I knew I had you. It's a dual edge brush and comb, smooth natural looking edge toothbrush, and it's like, it has like a comb end, and it has a brush end. I knew I had it. Okay, so I bought some Aussie Moist. This is one of my favorite conditioners for putting on weave hair, and also it just makes like a really great light leave-in conditioner for your hair. And it's not a leave-in conditioner, but I make it one, because I believe that any conditioner pretty much can be a leave-in conditioner, except for I wouldn't do like a protein conditioner as a leave-in conditioner. I would do moisturizing conditioners as a leave-in. Also, I bought, and I'll have another one of these that I've already opened up that I started using on my hair. But this is the Purology. I guess it's just a set. It has the shampoo, conditioner, and it has like a leave-in conditioner, and it's like the strengthening set for color treated hair. And I hear that the Purology products are really good, but they're really expensive, and I was able to catch these on a fantastic sale. So I picked up 3. I only have 2 here because I already opened up the other one. But I did like the one that I used so far. I used it on me, and I did like it a lot. So this is probably going to be like something, like if it goes on sale, I might continue to buy it. But right now, it's really expensive. Okay, so that, let me move this over here so I can see the rest of my stuff. Okay, I also bought on recommendation of somebody, they said this is really good for really dry hair, is the Matrix Biolage Hydro Source Conditioning Balm. And I love Matrix products, and you're getting ready to see in just a second. But I I bought this, and this is a balm, so you don't have to use a little bit or else it'll make the hair really tacky. So it smells really good. I've used it a couple times. It does soften the hair, and I do like that product, but I'm just going to keep giving it some chance to just make sure I like it 100%, because sometimes I like it in the beginning and I keep using it, I'll be like, I don't like that. Now this is one of my like former go-to conditioners. Y'all know, if y'all know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a conditioner junkie. I use so much conditioner in my salon because it's so important for retaining length. You cannot retain length without conditioning the hair. It's not possible. Okay, so this is the Care Intensive Restorative Mask, and I've talked about this in former videos, in former periscopes and all that stuff. This is like really good. Like, it's your all around really good conditioner for everything. You can use it to decondition, to do hydration treatments. You can use it to repair the hair. It softens the hair. It's just really amazing. It has all the good stuff in it, and it's just a really good all-around conditioner. If you're having trouble with your hair, you can use it every week, every 2 weeks if you want to. Yeah, and I used to a long time ago. I just kind of got away from it because it's not as easily available as it used to be for me. And it's kind of really expensive, like this little jar. No, it's really expensive. Okay. All right, so also, I bought... Oh, let me not show you that yet. I bought the Joico K-Pack conditioner, and y'all see I have this big old gallon size. I have to buy my conditioners in gallon size. I hate when they don't come in gallon size because I literally will use half a bottle of conditioner on somebody's hair if I need to. So I have to have gallon size because I deal with a lot of long, thick hair, and the gallon size is the only way to go for me. If they didn't have gallon sizes, I would be up the creek, because that stuff when they be talking about, oh yeah, buy some back bar, which is only a liter. A liter ain't gonna do. I need gallon sizes. But this is a Joico K-Pack conditioner, and it's like a really good light protein conditioner. You don't have to follow this up with moisture because it has all the good ingredients in there, and this is a staple. I have been using this for so long, and I love it, and it smells like banana and cinnamon, and it's so good. It does an amazing job keeping the hair healthy and helping rebuild the hair without making it all crunchy. So your hair feels really soft after that. And I also bought some shampoo, and this is Matrix. I do like the Biologic Matrix products. They are really good. I use these on my clients' hair. I've used these in Healthy Hair Makeovers along with the Joico products I've used in Healthy Hair Makeovers. And it says total results. I get total results. This is the Salon Damage shampoo, and it has ceramides in it. I don't know what that means. It says Salon Damage System with ceramide enhances shine and helps boost hair strength to reduce breakage and to allow it to grow longer. So that's what it's helping me do, helping me grow clients' hair longer. And so gallon sizes for me all the way. Woo. I don't buy as much shampoo as I do conditioner. I buy shampoo half the time. And then conditioners. Oh my gosh, this is becoming one of my top 3 favorite conditioners. I've only been using this, I would say probably maybe a couple of years. And I love this conditioner, and it's the Matrix Total Results Salon Damage Conditioner. I'm gonna tell y'all something. If you flat ironing hair and you want that weight and you want that that shine and that silkiness, this is your baby right here. I'm gonna tell you, if I develop products for hair, if I eventually develop products for hair, I'm going to model like my straightening system after this. Yes, I'm going to try to make conditioners that have the same qualities as this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this stuff. And I bought 2 gallons of that. And the only reason I buy, well, not saying the only reason I buy 2 gallons. I buy 2 gallons because every time I go to the distributor to get stuff, they only have 2 gallons, so I have to buy it out, and I have to be like, can y'all order more? Because if they have like 4 or 5 gallons, I'll buy 4 or 5 gallons just so I can have on hand, because I hate running out of stuff. But yeah, I think that's everything that I bought for the month of April. And I'm pretty sure I bought some more stuff, but I forgot and I didn't put it in this haul, but it's okay because I have no stuff here. But this is all my stuff. Now, a lot of these products I use on a regular basis, and some of them are newer, but hey. So guys, let me know if you've heard of any of these products, if you've used any of these products, if you'd like to try these products, if you want me to do a product review on any of these products or any other products, just let me know. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I really enjoyed telling you guys about all my stuff. Hopefully it's not too long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this haul, and I love you so much. I thank you for your love and support. Thank you for watching all my videos. I'll put a link below to the playlist of all my other hair videos that I have. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Smash it, because your girl is coming out with videos every single week on hair care. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Talk to you later. Bye.